Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe for more new videos. Flight ticket price of United States to Ghana. So flight ticket price of United States to Ghana from New York to Ghana 1100 United States dollar. Economy class seat price New York to Ghana 1100 US dollar. Washington DC to Ghana economy class seat price 1000 United States dollar. From Atlanta to Ghana 1350 United States dollar. Chicago to Ghana 1150 United States dollar. From Dallas to Ghana economy class seat price 1300 United States dollar. So flight ticket price of United States to Ghana economy class. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more new other videos.